Good morning students. Welcome to online classes of mathematics. Today we are going to start chapter 3 trigonometric functions. Before we start this chapter, you must know about some basic things of the chapter which you have learned in class 10, that is your trigonometry. Trigonometry means to find out angles and sides of a triangle. We can divide triangles on two bases. First, on the basis of angles, and second, on basis of sides. On the basis of angles, we have studied three types of triangle. First is acute angle triangle. Second is obtuse angle triangle. Third is right angle triangle. And on the basis of sides, again three: equilateral triangle, second isosceles triangle, and third is scalene triangle. Now we will study here about right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? Where one angle is of 90 degree. Right means one angle is of 90 degree. This is your right angle triangle. A, B, C. This is your 90 degree angle. Let this angle is theta. And you have learned side opposite to this angle is called your perpendicular. This is your base and this is your hypotenuse. Perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. And for this, you know about Pythagoras theorem also. Pythagoras theorem, you know very well. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is your Pythagoras theorem. Now, how many trigonometric ratios are there? Do you know? There are mainly 6 trigonometric ratios. You can say them T ratio. First is sin theta, cos theta, and then is tangent theta. Sin theta, this is your perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta, base upon hypotenuse, and tangent theta is your perpendicular upon base. These are the 3 trigonometric ratios, and 3 are reciprocal of them. Reciprocal of sin theta, that is called your cosecant theta. 1 upon sin theta, and this is equal to h by p. Reciprocal of cos theta, that is called your secant theta, and this is equal to h upon b. Next is reciprocal of tangent theta, that is your cot theta. This is equal to 1 upon cot theta b upon p. How you remember these formulas? Pandit, Badri, Arshad, Har, Bhole. Pick up the first letter of each word. P, B, P, H, H, B. Now what is sine? This is for sine. P upon H cos theta, B upon H tan theta, P upon B. Now for cosecant theta you will take reciprocal. Cosecant theta is your H by P. This is for secant theta and this is for cot theta, B by P. Right? You have learned about these 6 trigonometric ratios. You have learned 3 identities also. First identity was sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. Second was secant square theta minus tangent square theta, that is equal to 1. Next is your cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. These 3 identities you have learned in your 10th class. What more you have learned in your 10th class? I am telling you. That is your trigonometric table. You have learned this table also. Sine, cos, tangent, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2. This is 1. For cos theta, reverse the order. This is your 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Tangent theta you know very well. Tangent theta you can also say tangent theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Therefore tangent 0 will be 0 by 1 0. This is 1 by root 3 1. This is root 3 and this is your not different. This trigonometric table you have studied. Now all these things you have studied in your 10th class. You must know all these things. Now I am repeating the whole topic. Trigonometry means to find out angle and sides of a triangle, or you can say to measure angles and sides of a triangle. That is called your trigonometry. Now first of all you must have the knowledge of triangles. We can divide on the basis of 2 things, on the basis of angles and on the basis of sides. First on the basis of angles, acute angle triangle, a triangle having angle less than 90 degree, that is your acute angle. Obtuse having one angle more than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle triangle. Right angle triangle where each angle is, where one angle is of 90 degree, that is your right angle triangle. On the basis of sides, you also know very well. Equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal. Isosceles, 2 sides are equal. Scalar, all 3 sides are different. Now in trigonometry, basically we will study about right angle triangle. And in right angle triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now these 3 identities you have to remember. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. For these 3 identities, you must know about sine, cos, tangent. You have already learned. No need. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Next, secant square theta minus tangent square theta 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Trigonometric table you have already learned in 10th class. Right? You all have studied these things in your 10th class. When you know all these things, after that we will study the course of your class 11. That's all for today. Remaining things we will discuss in the next module. Thank you.